the masculinity is degrading each and every day by slowly. What I mean to say that nowadays really so many masculine, there are not so much masculine people out there. What I mean to say, there are so many masculine people out there, but at the same time there are not too much as you are thinking. That see, masculine people are there, but who are the masculine people out there? Those are our parents, those are our father's generation, those are the true definition of masculinity. But we as a Gen Z, we as a Gen Z, we as a this generation is not masculine enough, I would say. This generation is really not masculine. This the generation that was really masculine, and the generation that was really feminine was our mother's generation, and the generation of our fathers was really masculine, and the generation of our mother was really feminine. Those were very feminine. Our mothers know how the true definition of femininity was our mother, because of our mother, because our mother loves a lot. Okay, our mother don't eat food if the father is not at home. Okay, our mother take care of our thing, our and our fathers too. Okay, they take care of the home. Then they don't argue with us, they do the home thing, they do all the things. Okay, our mother is the true, definition of femininity, and the true definition of masculinity is our father. What I meant to say that your father take responsibilities of the whole family, including himself. Okay, he take accountability of each and everything, your education, your each and everything. He just he just preparing you for a war. Okay, he's just preparing you to enter in this world, in this brutal world of selfish people, of so many people out there who just take care of themselves. So your father is giving you all the things, resources, money, or khana, food, shelter, education. He's just preparing you for the war, because this this whole world is very crucial. This whole world is very critical. This whole world is really brutal. So he's preparing for you. And when I come to our generation, those are not really masculine, I would say. क्या बोलो यार, मतलब our generation is not that masculine, because घर से बाहर निकलो, there are so many guys out there who are just मतलब लंबे बाल रखे हुए हैं, बहुत लंबे बाल रखे हुए हैं. एंड जब उनकी बॉडी को देखो, when we look at their body, they are really skinny. They are skinny like a girl. Okay, so they are really skinny like a girl, really skinny like a girl, having long hairs. I'm not against hairs, but when you look at themselves, what they have, they are really skinny. They are really skinny. They don't have personality. They don't know how to talk to in front of people. They are just like all, they are just क्या मतलब नए वर्ड्स निकाल रहे, रेज बेड, 6ix9ine, ये वो जेंजी टर्म्स निकाल रहे अजीब से. मेरे को ना ये जनरेशन बड़ी अजीब लगती है. दिस जनरेशन इज रियली वियर्ड, आई वुड से. माई जनरेशन इज रियली वियर्ड, बिकॉज रेज बेड, what is this, what they are seeing, they are supporting shows like what we लेटेंट गॉट टैलेंट, वैसा कुछ है. वो शो को वो लोग सपोर्ट करते, वो शो को वो लोग देखते, ऐसे लोगों को वो लोग देते. दे आर गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस बाय छपरी. ओके, they are influencing by छपरीज. Okay, they are getting influenced by छपरीज, रजत दलाल, etc. So this is the thing that I want to tell. Our generation is not the true masculine generation, because we are generation who wears baggy pant. I'm not against baggy pant. I'm not against anyone who is skinny. I'm not against I'm not against anyone who keeps long hair. But I'm against of those people who are really feminine, who are just running for girls, not for their purpose, not doing something in their life, using Instagram each and every day. Okay, not having purpose, not going to the gym. Okay, because see, as a man, you have to, master yourself in each and every aspect of your life, in terms of health, in terms of relationship, in terms of masculinity, in terms of money. You have to master all the things. You can't master only one thing. You can't master only money. If you go for money, your health will get hampered one day. After some time, after some point of time, your health will get hampered. And see, all the things are really important as a man. Okay, keep this thing in mind, that all things are really important as a man. Not only money, not only relationships, all the things are the pillar of a masculine man. Okay, man के 3 pillars होते हैं. Okay, there are 3 pillars of man. First is money, second is relationships, and third is power. Health हो गई, ठीक है. There are 3 to 4 pillars of a man. Okay, those are really important. You have to master all the things. slowly master करो. पहले पैसे को मास्टर करो, फिर slowly health को मास्टर करो, then slowly master yourself. Slowly master each and every field of your life. First master your money, your financial condition, then master your health, then master your relationships, then master your business, everything. Okay, your emotions. Just slowly just master yourself, master your health, master your physique. This is the thing that I want to tell, that our generation is fucked up. I would say really fucked up generation. People are like wearing baggy pants and just running for girls, just doing nothing, just running for girls, just talking about girls, just really keeping all the things in their mind, just talking to the girls, just masturbating, just focusing on looks maxing, applying some shitty creams on their faces. I don't like that shit, yaar. Because as a man, एक मर्द हो तुम, if you are a man, when you see some एनी मर्द, अगर मान लो कि तुम मेरे सामने हो और मैं ये सारी चीज़ें कर रहा हूँ, आई एम अप्लाइंग फेस क्रीम, चलो सनस्क्रीन ठीक है, बट मैं रेटिनॉल अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, विटामिन सी की सीरम अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, एंड आई एम अप्लाइंग ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, एंड आई एम रियली स्किनी, एंड आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग, I just care about girls. I just do everything for the girls. Okay, I just do all the things for the girls. I just do all the things for the girls' attention. मैं लड़कियों के बारे में पूरे दिन बात करता हूँ. I just talk about girls. I just think about girls each and every time. I don't focus on my goals. I don't work on any opportunity that I'm getting. Now students like me, Gen Z students are getting opportunities like AI. They are not doing AI thing. They are just running for the girls. They are running for their life to enjoy. They are running for, masturbation के लिए कर रहे वो लोग. They are really running for the girls, not behind the opportunity that they have the best opportunity of really they are on the top of the cake. They are on the top of the cherry, because they are not mastering AI. They are just running behind the girls, just using Instagram, doing shitty से language use कर रहे. 6ix9ine, what the fuck is this 6ix9ine यार, shit. मेरे को अगर जेन ज़ी ऐसा कोई मिल जाए ना बोलते हुए, सबसे पहले तो 2 झापड़ मारूंगा साले को. मतलब आज के जेन ज़ी इतने ज़्यादा कमज़ोर, इतना ज़्यादा वो फीमेल के पीछे भाग रहे कि वो लोग ध्यान नहीं दे रहे. दे आर नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन देयर अपीयरेंस. ओके, दे रहे अपीयरेंस पे फोकस, बट वो अपनी फिजिकल हेल्थ पे कोई फोकस ही नहीं कर रहा है. जेन ज़ी लाइक कि भाई हम ना हेल्थ, मतलब हम बहुत अजीब लगते हैं भाई. दे आर रियली वियर्ड. दे आर रियली स्किनी एंड दे हैव अ वेरी लॉन्ग हेयर्स. They are really skinny. They have very long hairs. Just wearing baggy pants and just sunscreen लगा रहे हैं, face care कर रहे हैं. Bro, it sounds really feminine यार. बहुत feminine sound करता है भाई. मैं जब भी ऐसे Instagram पे YouTube ऐसे लोगों को देखता हूँ ना भाई, मुझे ना सच में इतना गुस्सा आता है ना भाई. ऐसा रहता है अभी उठ के 2 झापड़ मारो इसको मैं भाई. क्योंकि एक मर्द होता है जो सच में ट्रू मैस्कुलिन होता है ना. If the man is truly masculine, if he is truly masculine, then he will be against those things yaar. We are man bro, we are made for strength, we are made for strength. I'm not telling that you should not do skincare. I would say okay, skincare करो, but ये रेटिनॉल ये सब मत लगाओ. बहुत अजीब लगता है. बहुत you sound like a very feminine. मैंने आज तक ज़िंदगी में नहीं लगाई और मैं कभी लगाऊंगा भी नहीं. I won't भाई, I won't. हाँ, अगर भाई प्रोडक्ट बेचना हो तो मैं लगा सकता हूँ. सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए मैं लगा सकता हूँ. ओके, मेरे को तो पैसे से मतलब है भाई. मैं तो प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए कमाऊँगा भाई. मेरी फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन ख़राब है. मैं तो प्रोडक्ट बेचने के लिए तो कमाऊँगा ही ना. प्रोडक्ट अच्छा पैसा कमाने के बाद मैं निकल सकता हूँ उसमें से. ठीक है, निकल भी जाऊँगा. So when I hear all those kind of things, bro, it sound really really feminine, man.